guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. In today's video we got another breakdown, no breakdown but planning video though. It's very simple. My name is Nick. Who don't know, I'm trading Nick's shown concept, break and retest strategy, support and resistance, and obviously risk management. Yep. So let's jump right into the video guys. What do I like in Nick's shown strategy? Yeah, that is his simplicity and approaching towards trading. Yeah, so basically that works for me very well. Yeah, you see, here I go like a zone. It doesn't really matter what zone I do have. You can take it out of this zone, you can take it out of this zone, you can take out of wherever zone you feel comfortable to take it from. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna wait guys this stuff to pull back into the zone, and I'm gonna take a buy. Where I'm gonna take a buy, I'm gonna take to the next zone. Yeah, so I'm gonna take like 1 to 1. So my trade day actually is gonna be like that, something like that. Something like that's gonna be my trade. Yeah, and it's very simple concept guys. You're gonna think, yeah Nick, but you're trading 1 to 1 and that's like kind of break-even trading strategy. No, that's not a break-even trading strategy, because if you see my stop loss is so big, yeah, but if you're checking here, I got tons of high lows. Yeah, oops. But for me to if I got two is enough. Yeah, because my kind of stop loss is sitting beneath this one. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now, if this price action gets here, you see how beautifully, yeah, played out. Here is support, resistance, break it, kind of try to reject, came underneath, break it, and now comes back to retest it. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now guys, if it comes here and triggers me in, yeah, it's gonna be very simple guys. I go here, my stop loss is wide, yeah, and I'm gonna risk 1% per trade. Yeah, if from here instantly goes up here, I'm gonna make 1%, $2,000, something like that. But if the price action it doesn't go my way and it goes down, yeah, I'm gonna see the way how it gonna breaks these lows. So here I'm gonna take half of the position off. If it breaks this low, if it gets to this low, I'm gonna take another half from wherever is left, and then I'm gonna leave the everything what is left. I'm gonna leave it run. Yeah, and if it's just gonna hit my stop loss, then it is what it is. I still gonna lose like 0.7% from the one. I'm gonna risk initially 1%. So my risk to reward is actually getting bigger, just due to the fact that I'm managing right the position. But in this particular case here, you can see we go here lower highs, yeah, sorry, high lows. Here we go, high low here, yeah, and the EMAs is right here, yeah. And if just in case this price action will come back to this area, yeah, it's gonna be very simple guys, because from here, what do we have? We have an uptrend. You clearly can see is an uptrend, yeah. Push, pull back, push, pull back, push, pull back, yeah. And if just in case this price action will decide to come back down, yeah, what do we have here? We go break of the EMAs, yeah, break of this low. So think about logically, why should you still be in the trade if nothing goes on your way? Just think logically, you can just literally close it right here. So to me that's like 2.76 RR. Get the point. But then again, I'm gonna see if, for example, the reason why you're gonna ask me, then it's better just to put the stop loss right here. No, it's not better. I'm gonna explain you why. Because I'm gonna keep my stop loss right here, yeah. And for example, I'm gonna look how it's gonna break this low, yeah. If for example it's gonna be a huge candle and closes below, then most likely I'm just gonna close full the position right here. I won't wait for too long. But if, for example, from here it just wicks down and then closes somewhere here and huge wick, then that is still most likely was a fake out guys. And the problem is because a lot of people, what they do, they doing like they enter here, their stop loss right here, and you know perfectly what happens. They wicks you up, stops you out, and then moves up. Very simple. But the why the stop loss allows me to watch the price action and to still be in the trade, because due to the fact that the wick can be up here, to up here, either to go literally down here, maybe to here, something like that, the wick. So yeah guys, that was for today. If you like it, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Peace and love.